Baby Cubes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our Baby Cubes recipes. We have for you our fruity cupcake recipe. Hi guys, I'm Caris from LICKALIX and Baby Cubes. Here's everything you'll need to make for our fruity banana cupcakes. So make sure you've got a big mixing bowl, and you're going to add in the ingredients, and we're using today our organic strawberry, apple and mango baby cubes. We've melted them up to mix them in. It means we get extra fruit as well as the banana into our cupcakes for our little ones. Now, I make quite a big batch of these, and I suggest you do the same. Then I get a Ziploc bag after I've cooked them and put them in the freezer. Then they're ready to use whenever you want. I put them in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds, and they're ready to go, and they're a bit warm as well. So we've got our bananas here as well. They don't look that appetizing, but don't worry, they taste great. I let no food go to waste, and when they're too brown, I cut them up and put them in the freezer, ready to make these cupcakes. It's really handy. So you need about a tablespoon in each cupcake. You can also make little mini cupcakes, which I used to do when my toddler was younger. But now he's older, I do the bigger ones because he's got quite a big appetite. So pop them in the oven at 180 degrees and then check if they're done by seeing if they're springing back, or use the skewer test to see if the skewer comes out clean. Oven cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. They're a great dessert or a handy on-the-go snack. Lots of fruit from our Baby Cubes organic cubes of goodness. Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our Baby Cubes. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or recommendations, please write in the comment section below. Follow us on our social media. Bye!